In this video, we'll explore Breezeway CRM, a property operations platform. Links are in the description. Breezeway is designed for property managers, vacation rentals, and real estate professionals wanting streamlined property care and improved guest or tenant satisfaction. Its focus: task automation, communication, and reporting for efficient property management. Breezeway shines with its task and workflow automation. Schedule and manage maintenance, housekeeping, and inspections effortlessly. Customizable checklists and templates ensure high-standard completion, from routine cleaning to detailed inspections. Automated task assignments, based on schedules or triggers, save time and reduce manual work. Breezeway also excels in communication. Send automated messages to teams, tenants, or guests, providing updates, reminders, and confirmations. Automate check-in instructions, property details, and post-stay follow-ups, boosting guest satisfaction. Reporting and analytics tools provide insights into task completion, property performance, and operational efficiency. Identify trends, optimize workflows, and improve resource allocation. Breezeway integrates with systems like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com, keeping operations and bookings synced. The mobile app lets teams access tasks, complete checklists, and upload photos from the field. This real-time functionality allows quick responses to any issue, even on the go. While Breezeway is specialized for property operations, it may not cover broader CRM needs like sales tracking. However, its tailored features are invaluable for property management professionals. Breezeway CRM is excellent for property managers and vacation rentals needing a specialized tool for task automation, communication, and reporting. Its automation, mobile accessibility, and integrations make it a must-have. Check the links below to explore Breezeway and see if it aligns with your business goals. This review should help determine if Breezeway is right for you.